Well, hello everybody. Time for my weekly report on the market. This week, thanks to a strong US dollar, my portfolio was up 0.12%. Yay. It was actually a fairly poor week this week, so although I have to say it was a great finish. My portfolio was actually up 2.24% today alone. So basically today saved me, from a pretty poor week. And the reason for that is Mr. Jerome Powell came out with a pretty hawkish report this week. He did drop the interest rate in the US by 0.25%, but he very strongly hinted that there may not be any further cuts in 2025. And immediately after that was announced, the market just tanked. Like, it just tanked down seriously. Hopefully, because of the good recovery yesterday and today, the markets will kind of take it like a grain of salt and kind of move on from it. But there's a lot of people thinking that the Fed is actually withholding a lot of information, that like they're kind of making things look better than they actually are. But anyway, it was as a result of that, it was pretty rough week. Let me see here. I'll start out with my best stocks for the week, and Aritzia had a great week this week, up 8.42%, and that's one of my two Canadian stocks. The other one being CP, which was down 1.73%. And then I guess we got to go to Palantir again. Another incredible week for Palantir, up 7.1% for the week. It is now up 385.83% year to date. So, I mean, this stock, like I said, is just going to the moon, and it doesn't appear to be anything that's going to stop it. My next best stock was NVDA, which was only up 0.37%, kind of pretty much traded sideways for the week. Then we'll go to Tesla, which was, after running up really good since the election, it actually had a down week this week and corrected a bit, 4.48% down. So not a great week for Tesla, but it was bound to have a correction at some point. I mean, it's just been running so strong lately. Let me see. TMF, horrible week, down 6.39%. It's just, I don't know. I just don't know what to say about TMF. But with what came out from the Fed this week, it obviously has a big effect on bonds. Bonds, they need interest rates to come down, and we need to look more at a recession to make that triple leverage bond fund move, seriously up. So again, another bad week for it, and I'm pretty frustrated, I have to admit. It's not been good. And that brings us to small caps, which again, as a result of possibly no interest rate cuts next year, they had a really rough week. TNA down 13.57% for the week. Terrible. It's my triple leveraged fund for index fund for IWM. So really bad week for that. And IJH, my mid caps ETF, also down 4.94%. So not good. Meta down 7.02%, so it had a pretty rough week as well. One of the Mag 7 stocks. I think, let me see, I think that's pretty much covers everything for this week. Yeah. So I just want to give a special shout out again for a couple of YouTube channels that I have been watching, and that's the Creative Investor. I did mention them before. Awesome channel. Just totally speaks, he basically says it as it is, and I really enjoy watching his channel. And one of my more recent ones is a channel called Money Vest, another really good channel. And like between the two of them, those are probably the two channels that I enjoy the most and get them, the most information from. So anyway, check my updated portfolio, and if you enjoy the channel here, you can like and subscribe. Hope everybody's doing well. I will see you again next week. Take care, everybody, and thanks for watching.